Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Welcome to episode 29 of an overhaul on a Bolex Rex. Got the shutter repainted here, and I'm going to show you that and a bunch of other things. So let's get started. Okay, so as I explained to you before, I will show you the progress here. Here's the shutter after the repainting. So I can spin this around, take a good look at it. Front and the back, and you can see right here, I want to point this out by the way again from one of my previous videos, the gears here, there are two sets of gears. Alright, so do check for worn teeth in there on those gears. Set on the top, set on the bottom, you can see right there. Alright, now I got to go back and I've got to clean this spindle right here is what I got to do. So I'm going to take some metal polish and polish this off. Alright, using some metal polish on here, and I'm going to carefully clean this. Don't get the metal polish on the spindle. Gonna put some on here with one end and clean with another end of this shirt that I use. Just keep polishing that down. Buff that right out. You can see the dirt. That metal polish will remove the paint, so you don't want to get that on there. And we're making progress, as you can see. Getting nice and shiny. Alright, now I'll polish this a little bit more to my own taste. Then onto this gear. Okay, so the spindle gear right there for the shutter, that as you can see, it's nice, bright and shiny. I've polished it out with a metal cleaner. And there you go, that's what you want. And make sure that when you get a Bolex in that's in poor condition and the shutter is scraped, scratchy, or dim with the black, you do repaint it. Otherwise, when you go to do fades, the shutter is going to show up on your film when you close it. Alright? So next, on to this gear right here. Going to check for worn areas, clean it, that type of deal. While I'm storing the shutter away for a while, preventing the spindle from rusting, I have lubricated it with some weapons oil with a cotton swab. Okay, just apply some of that on there so it will not rust. Okay, next you have these mini micro screws around this gear to remove. Flathead before you clean it. Suggest you have some type of a cup container, has a lid on it, and you put these in here to contain them. So you will not lose them. All right. So next, the cleaning process. Again, it's metal polish and the part. Start wiping it down. I've got some surface rust on here, as you can see it right there. And this stuff will remove most light surface rust. So just get in there and start working on it. Keep polishing and work until it's off, of course. I'll keep working on this and get back to you later. Okay, when you have these really dirty areas within the gears right here, and you also need to remove the metal polish, use a pipe cleaner. Go in there, all the way around there, and just remove that stuff out. Just like that. You can see all the dirt. It gets off on there, and come around to a clean area, and I'll show you. So as you can see right there, how polished that's becoming right there, right? When you have a really stubborn part that's in between the end of the gears, take a toothpick, go down there at the bottom, and just rake it right out of there. Just like that. Next, I'm going to apply some metal polish to the end of this toothpick. Just like that. And put it inside the gear. All right. So then, pipe cleaner, run it through, and that's how I'm going to clean that. There you are. Cleaning those screw threads, pipe cleaner again. And here we are, nice, bright, shiny, and clean. And the back. Next we have to get to those screws, those tiny miniature screws. Alright, I am going to add some weapons oil on this metal part of the gear down here to prevent rusting in the meantime. All the way around that. Okay, onto those screws. Okay, I got some metal polish on my hand on this white cotton glove. I'm going to take a screw and put on there. Don't let these move around too much in the your choice of white cotton glove or latex. Pop these off and lose them. Be a problem. Keep it close to the mat. I'll move it around in here. Get it clean like that. And also use a pipe cleaner. Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen. And remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya.